Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, this will be my first video which I'm shooting. Today, what we are going to learn is factor theorem, which is a topic of 10th standard ICSE, and I'll give you a brief introduction about this topic. So, factor theorem. So basically, what happens is if x minus alpha is a factor of f of x, so what we do is we put alpha in terms of x in place of x, and the value of that f of alpha, it should be 0. So we say that x minus alpha is a factor of x. Okay. Now let's start with a numerical, just to understand this topic in better. Okay. So the question is like this: show that x minus 1 is factor of x cubed minus 7x squared plus 14x minus 8. And also we have to factorize this completely. Okay. So basically this type of question comes for 3 months, and this is one of the ICSE questions which came in 2007. This is one of the ICSE questions, and it came in 2007. Okay, let's do this. So first, how to show whether x minus 1 is a factor of this? So it's very simple. What we need to do is just take x minus 1 equal to 0, equate this with 0. So we'll get x equal to 1, right? And what you need to do is you just need to put f of 1 in this equation and check whether we're getting 0 or not. It's very easy. You just put this value over here, 7 into 1 square plus 14 into 1 minus 8, right? 1 minus 7 plus 14 minus 8. So this will give me 1 minus 7 is how much? Minus 6 plus 14 minus 8. And this will give me plus 8 minus 8. And this will give me 0. Okay. Now, as f of 1 is equal to 0, so we say that as per factor theorem, x minus 1 is a factor of x cubed minus 7x squared plus 14x minus 8. So that's a simple, factor theorem wherein we put the value, and if f of 1 or f of alpha is 0, then we say that it's a factor. Okay, that's very easy. Okay, now the second part of this whole question is we have to factorize this equation. We have to factorize this equation completely. Okay, so basically, as it is a cubic equation, so we will get 3 factors, out of which one factor is x minus 1. So we need to find 2 more factors. Okay, and for that we will use long division method. So let me explain you how to solve this by using long division method. Okay, a lot of students get confused with the long division method, so we will see an easy method to do a long division and how to solve this question further. So this is x cubed minus 7x squared plus 14x minus 8, and we have to divide this by x minus 1. So the first thing what we need to do is you can do this calculations in rough, that you have to take this x cubed and then you just need to take this x. Okay, now you divide this, you'll get x squared. Now this x squared will be your quotient. Okay, so this is your first step. After this, you multiply this x square with x minus 1, which is there on the divisor side. Okay, once you multiply this, you'll get x cubed minus x squared, right? Just write it down here and subtract this, and we know how to subtract. The signs will get changed when we subtract. Okay, so you write down like this, the signs will get changed. So plus x cubed minus x cubed will get cancelled. Minus 7x squared plus 6x squared is minus 6x squared plus 14x and minus 8. So these things will come down as it is. Okay, now next thing will be you have to write minus 6x squared and then just write x, just divide this, you'll get minus 6x, right? Just write this minus 6x in the quotient and multiply this minus 6x with x minus 1. Okay, after this, what will we get? Minus 6x squared plus 6x, right? So this will get multiplied inside the bracket. So just write whatever the answer which we have got over there, subtract them, change the sign, this will get cancelled. 14 minus 6 is 8x minus 8. Okay. And what will be the last step? Obviously, this is 8x upon x. So I'll get 8. So answer will be plus 8. And when you multiply this 8 with x minus 1, you'll get 8x minus 8. Right? And just change the signs. Once you change the sign, you'll get answer as 0. So this is your complete factorization of x cube minus 7x squared plus 14x minus 8. Okay. Now this is your quotient. Okay. So what we need to do is this quotient we need to factorize and get two roots from this. Okay. So let me do this process once again. So we have to solve this quadratic equation. Now there are various methods of solving quadratic equations. So we will use our general method of splitting the middle term. Now, what is splitting the middle term? It's very easy. So we need a product as 8 because 8 into 1 is basically 8, right? The coefficient of x square is 1. 1 into 8 is 8. And we need two factors such that their sum should be minus 6. Okay. So, and as negative sign is in between x square and x, so both the answers or the factors which we will get will be minus. Okay. So what are the two factors of 8 which will give us minus 6? They are 4 and 2, right? And this can be done also by prime factorization method. So this is minus 4 into minus 2 is 8, and minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6. When we add them, we'll get minus 6. When we multiply them, we'll get 8. Right? So using this logic, we'll split the middle term like this: square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. Just make a group of 2. From here, we'll take x common, so get x minus 4. Write x minus 4 as it is. From this, to get minus 2x plus 8, we'll have to multiply it by minus 2. Let's check how we have done that. Minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Minus into minus is plus 2 into 4 is 8. Perfect. After this, just take x minus 4 common. Once we take x minus 4 common, you will get x minus 4 into x minus 2. That's it. So we have factorized this x square minus 6x plus 8 into these two factors. So our final answer will be like this: x cubed minus 7x squared plus 14x minus 8, which will give me the first factor is x minus 1, second factor is x minus 4, and the third factor is x minus 2. That's it. Hope you liked this video and hope you understood the full method of factorization, factorizing the expressions completely. Okay, hope you get 4 marks in final exams by solving this. Hope that this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you so much.